Hi there, Julian from Easily, and today I'm going to talk about a tool which a lot of people know about, but I don't think most people are using the full potential of, and that is listening to what's happening on the web and listening to Google. So, what am I talking about? If I type in alerts and go to Google Alerts, again, I'm sure this is a tool that most of us are used to seeing, but perhaps don't know how to use it to its fullest potential and some of the examples. So, what you can do if you're a small business and you have target keywords, you can search for keywords which are related to your business. That's something that's very, very important, because what you'll at points and at times want to do is to have a look and see when your keyword is popping up, and it can lead you to doing really thorough and useful competitive research. So if you know that there are other companies bidding for your keywords or using your keywords in the Google search engine, then it can give you an idea of what they've done to achieve their ranking, and where your competition is, and that's always a good thing. You can also do an alert for yourself. So you'll type in the search term, you'll put in your name. So for example, I might put in Julian, and what it would enable you to do is whenever your name appears in news or the blogs or the web or video or in groups, Google will send you an alert and let you know that that's popped up. So that's good for just brand protection and reputation management, or you might do it for your company name, for example. And all of those are good monitoring tools. You might have a piece of content, you might have written an article, how to choose a good domain name, for example, and you might want to make sure that nobody has stolen the title of your article or the title of your book, or you might be trying to copyright a product name or something of that nature, and you can put in search terms to allow Google Alerts to let you know whether or not there are other people working on some similar things, or stealing your content potentially. There might be new trends in your industry that you're looking out for, that you're not sure where to find. Again, Google can tell you where those are, and it can help you to find customers. So there might be a customer, you might be selling widgets, and somebody online might go to a website, Yahoo Answers, or in Google groups or in Flickr groups, and they might type in, where can I find a good widget in my local town? You can literally type in that as a search term, and then Google will go away and pick up if anybody's typed in that kind of question and it's indexed it in one of these search groups. So that's very, very useful. It helps you to find your customers. And finally, it can also help you to find if your site has been hacked. So we all know there are lots of spammy keywords. There's Viagra, there's Cialis, for example, and you can come up with a whole bunch of names. And literally, if you type that in and then type in site : your domain name, so for ours is easily.co.uk, then what Google will do is, once Google has indexed your site and it picks up any of these spammy names, then it can tell you whether or not potentially your site's been hacked in a major or minor way. Some people might be trying to get into your database or something of that nature. So it's a good way to check that out. So that's Google Alerts, and hopefully that's given you some new ways that you can use the tool, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye bye.